Well, we've come to Murray Sunset National Park again today, down from Loch 9. It's not where we wanted to be fishing, however, we'll give it a try. But there's so many campers along today, Christmas holidays of course, there's campers everywhere and we couldn't find the spot we wanted. Well, we could, but it was full of people. Well, I'm not set up yet, and this one's gone off, but I think it's let go. This one's had a bite again, but I think it's gone again. There might be something small on it. Oh, no, nothing there. Well, looks like we've got the first one on for the day.
That looks healthy.
Yep, still something on there. Hang on, I've caught round here. It's a carp, it's only a little one.
Heck, you put up a good fight.
There he is. He'd be 300 long.
He's pretty fat.
But he'll do for a bit of bait.
Yep. I've still got all my bait.
You still got your bait?
Yep.
You want a shrimp on?
No, it's in again now. I'll have it next time.
Where am I going to put this in? Down there or
Down this way somewhere.
down next to all those sticks and stuff? We'll now we've got some bait, we'll put a yabby net in, see if there's any results. I'm not expecting a lot. No one else has been catching them. Better grab this rod, looks like we've got another one on. Yes. Yeah, he's not that big. Yep. Here he comes, he's getting close now. Yeah, not as big as I'd like, but another one out. Probably around about the 325 mark. This is a picture of the last fish taken from a different perspective from the other camera on the tripod. There he is. He'd be 300 long. Yeah. That one didn't go off last time. Yeah, where's my knock? I'm there, he's in the bucket. I'll give him a cast out. Yep, that should do. Well, we'll just come over and I'll check the shrimp net. See if it's, oh, hang on, look. I thought I'd get the shrimp net while it was quiet, but we've just had a bite on this rod. Yep, I don't think he's on there anymore. Oh no, it's a little one. Yeah, oh geez, look at the size of it. It's only about 200 mil long. Oh well, it's still another one out of the river. Back to the shrimp net. Now we caught a few shrimp before, so hopefully there's some more in it. Yeah, there's quite a few in it. I'll try to grab a handful. As you can see, there's quite a few there. There's a lot more in there. I'm on. Oh, it's going around the snag. That's out. Here it comes. Whoop, it's off. Hang on, gotta get it down and get it. Yep. And then I'll get away. We'll check this yabby basket. As you can see, it doesn't look like there's much in it. Only a bit of bait. Something actually has eaten his eye out though. I might throw it back in. I wasn't going to. I was going to take it out. Well, we're in. It's not very big. Coming in very fast. Helen's got something playing with hers too, and I think it's probably the same size, about 200 mil long. Helen's got her first fish on for the day.
I thought it was a snag.
Yeah, they're pretty small. Oh, you might have the biggest one. Oh, that's the biggest one for the day. Ripper. Yeah. Yeah, that one's around the 350 mark.
More than that.
Oh, okay. I'll give you another 50 out of it. I'll call it 400 for you.
I'm not sure.
I'd say we've got one on here. Now to get him in. Just past that bit there, but there's, ooh, he's right in here. Just down here in the water. There he is here. Oh, by the way, Helen's one was just over 400 before. She guessed the size better than I did. And this one would be around 320, getting up to the 350 mark. But yabby net in again. Oh, there is something in it. How's that? One nice big yabby. I thought there might have been something down there. When you can see how his eye's been chewed out and that. So there you go. That's the biggest yabby I've seen this year. He's no good on his own. I think we'll let him go. Let this net dry out and take it home. There he is. Good size yabby. Pity we couldn't get a couple of dozen of them. We'll let him go. There he goes. One's up here is dying, but I don't think there's anything on it now. Oh yeah, it might be still something there. No. No, he's let go. Something went wrong with the other camera. I didn't press the button or something on the other camera that's on my chest, but I forgot to take a close-up clip of this one, so I found this on the other camera, so I thought I'd put it in. with what?
When you start getting one size fish, you keep on getting.
Getting them, yeah, that's what you were saying, yeah. We'll see if it's the case. Might have one on this one again. Oh, he's going around a snag. Whoop. It's just come loose. There's no weight in that at all. Looks like Helen's on again, which is good. It was getting a bit slow. Just lost it, did you?
I missed it.
No, I think I missed it. Ah, it's gone behind. Snagged there. Snagged. It looks like we've got one on here. Yeah, it's a bit more weight in it than what we've been getting. Maybe not as big as your one, but a little bit more weight. Sure. It's not that big, is it?
Oh, it's probably better than most.
Yeah, that's 320 getting up to the 350 mark.
Never seen one.
Well, it is holiday time, and comes a skier down. Oh, it's on a wakeboard or something, I think. Oh, he's just come off up there. Helen's on something big
I'm
here.
going to get up.
Hey?
I'm not going to get up.
Oh, really?
Oh, it's going around. See all the
Keep
fire
it,
in the
keep
water?
it coming. Oh, geez, what? Oh, it's a tortoise, is it?
Oh, it's a tortoise.
Yeah, it's a big tortoise.
Get your pliers before you go down. 'Cause
Yep.
It's in his shell.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. While getting my pliers, he got off, which is good.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to call it quits for the day. We end up with 9 in 3 hours. As I said, we got here earlier and we got here late, looking for a spot to fish. We got a tortoise as well, or Helen got a tortoise on, which obviously wasn't hooked in the mouth. It was hooked in the shell somewhere, because it got off before I could get a pair of pliers to take the hook out of it. And I'm just watching my rod at the moment, and I know it's windy, but it's given a few little jabs. I forgot to say we got one yabby as well. Anyway, it's time to split all the carp open and throw them back so they sink. We split them open so they sink.